Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Stahm, and we have Kace here, and we are going to cook today. But the problem is, the only measuring cup that I have is 1/4 cup. And as you can see, my recipe doesn't even have 1/4 cup on it. Oh no, what are we going to do? I don't know what we're going to do. So what I need you to do is I need you to help me figure out how many 1/4 cups we need to make these cinnamon sugar donut muffins. Stay tuned because we're about to make them. All right, boys and girls, our donuts are finished. And the last thing that you need to do is you need to melt the butter. So we've melted the butter and we put the donut inside of this little bowl. And Kace is going to enjoy this last one part. We have our cinnamon and our sugar in here. So Kace, go ahead and put your donut in here. Now shake it up. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Go ahead. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it. Woo! There it goes. It's rolling all around. Oh, there we go. And he's going to enjoy this last favorite part of eating the donut. Here, tell us how it is. Is that yummy? Yummy. It'll probably go good with a glass of milk. So boys and girls, if you figure out the math and how many 1/4 cups I need for each of my items on my recipe, you can email the solutions to Mrs. Stahm, KRISTIANE.STAHM@hcps.org. I also take a picture of yourself and send the picture as well, and look out for it on Facebook. I can't wait to see your creations. Enjoy break, and we miss you guys so much.